Welcome to The Ultimate Guide to Mastering Yoga for Beginners. This video is designed to help you get started on your yoga journey by providing you with a comprehensive overview of the basics of yoga, including its benefits, different types of yoga, common poses, and tips for practicing safely and effectively. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, improve flexibility, build strength, or simply find inner peace, this video has something for everyone. So, grab your yoga mat and let's get started. Hey there! Are you looking to start your journey into the world of yoga? Do you want to reap the amazing benefits of this practice but don't know where to begin? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of yoga, from its history to its benefits, types, and poses. So, grab your yoga mat, put on some comfortable clothes, and let's get started on your journey to mastering yoga for beginners. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago. It is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice that aims to achieve balance and harmony in the mind and body. Yoga is the perfect activity for anyone who wants to improve their physical and mental well-being, as it combines breathing exercises, meditation, and various poses or asanas. Types of yoga. There are many different types of yoga, each with their own unique approach to practicing yoga. Some of the most popular types of yoga are 1. Hatha yoga, 2. Vinyasa yoga, 3. Ashtanga yoga, 4. Bikram yoga, 5. Yin yoga, 6. Restorative yoga. Benefits of yoga. The benefits of doing yoga are numerous. Here are just a few of them. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. 2. Increases flexibility and balance. 3. Strengthens the body. 4. Improves posture and alignment. 5. Boosts the immune system. 6. Enhances energy and vitality. 7. Aids in relaxation and better sleep. Common yoga poses. Here are some basic yoga poses that every beginner should know. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana. 2. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 3. Warrior I, Virabhadrasana I. 4. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. 5. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. 6. Child's pose, Balasana. 7. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. 8. Corpse pose, Savasana. Yoga tips. Here are some tips to help you practice yoga safely and effectively. 1. Listen to your body and don't push yourself beyond your limits. 2. Focus on your breath to stay calm and centered. 3. Dress comfortably in loose-fitting clothes. 4. Use props such as blocks or straps to modify poses as needed. 5. Stay hydrated and avoid eating a heavy meal before practicing yoga. Congratulations on completing The Ultimate Guide to Mastering Yoga for Beginners. We hope that you have learned the basics of yoga and feel inspired to continue your practice. Remember that yoga is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and mindfulness. So, keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying the many benefits of this amazing practice. Thank you for watching.